Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Pinterest audio not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your settings app, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then locate Pinterest and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options. Now all you gotta do is tap on upload app, and that what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you're facing. And once the process is done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search on the bottom corner of the screen and then type in Pinterest. And here, once it loads, all you gotta do is tap on the app and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.